Today we are going to learn AR preterite verbs. We're only going to learn the regular preterite endings for AR, ER, and IR verbs. First, let's start with AR preterite verbs. A preterite means past tense. En español se dice pretérito. Preterite verbs show completed past actions. The ending tells you who did the action. Here are the preterite AR endings. Aste, o, amos, astes, aron. The yo and the lau sted form have accents. Let's do a regular AR verb. Mirar, to look. Yo miré, tú miraste, él, ella, usted miró, nosotros miramos, vosotros mirasteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes miraron. Hablar, to speak. Pause the video, try writing this out, and start it again when you're ready. Let's see how you did. Yo hablé, tú hablaste, él, ella, usted habló, nosotros hablamos, vosotros hablasteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes hablaron. Did you remember those accents on the yo and the lau sted form? So this would be I spoke, you spoke, he, she, or you formal spoke, we spoke, you all informal spoke, they spoke, or you all formal spoke. Let's try one more regular preterite AR verb, to help, ayudar. Write it out, and when you're ready, start the video up to see how you did. Yo ayudé, tú ayudaste, él, ella, usted ayudó, nosotros ayudamos, vosotros ayudasteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes ayudaron. Remember, you're just taking off this AR ending and you're adding on the new ending of aste, o, amos, astais, aron, depending on who's doing the action. I helped, you helped, he, she, it helped, we helped, you all informal helped, they helped, or you all formal helped. An important thing to know about preterite verbs is that they do not stem change in the preterite. So for example, the verb cerrar, which is an E to IE stem changer in the present tense, will not stem change in the preterite. Yo cierro las ventanas is in the present tense. If you're saying yesterday I closed the windows, then you would say ayer yo no cerré, or I didn't close the windows. Yo no cerré la ventana. There is no stem change in the preterite tense. Let's do one more practice. Put the following sentence into the preterito, the preterite. All these sentences right now are in the present tense. Go ahead and write them out in the preterite tense and then start the video up again when you're ready to check your answers. Alright, let's see how you did. Número 1. Yo compré un anillo caro en la joyería. Número 2. Nosotros llevamos unas guantes rojas. Notice that llevamos is the same in both the present and the preterite tense. So you're going to have to use the context to know whether someone's talking in the present or the preterite tense. Número 3. Héctor caminó en el parque. 4. Tú bailaste muy bien en la fiesta. 5. Ustedes hablaron con muchas personas. 6. Yo pasé tiempo con mi familia. 7. Vosotros tomasteis el agua. Y número 8. Usted celebró su cumpleaños. Alright, let's try learning the ER and IR verbs in the preterite tense. The preterite tense of ER and IR verbs. ER and IR verbs are the same in the preterite tense for regular preterite ER and IR verbs. There's lots of irregulars in the preterite tense, but we're not going to get to those right now. Remember, we use the preterite tense to talk about actions that have been completed in the past. We just learned those AR preterite endings. Without looking, do you remember them? Let's say them together. Aste, o, amos, astes, aron. Don't forget those accents on the E and the O. ER and IR verbs have the same endings in the preterite tense. Iste, yo, imos, istes, ieron. Where are those accents? The O form on the I and the LAU sted form on that O. Look at the vosotros form. Make sure you know how it's spelled. E before I, istes. Aprender is an ER verb. Take off that ER and add the new preterite endings to learn. Pause the video, and when you're ready, start it up again and check your answers. Aprendí, tú aprendiste, él, ella, usted aprendió, nosotros aprendimos, vosotros aprendisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes aprendieron. Did you get those accents on the yo and the LAU stud form on that O? How'd you spell aprendisteis? Let's try another one. Salir. This is an IR verb, so you're going to snap off that IR ending and add on the new preterite ending. Salir, to leave. Pause the video, and when you're ready to start it up again, you can check your answers. See how you did. Salí, saliste, salió, salimos, salisteis, salieron. I left, you left, he, she, it, or you formal left, we left, you all informal left, and they or you all formal left. Here's a practice. Try translating these 5 sentences, and when you're ready to check your answers, start the video up again and we'll see how you did. Número 1. Yo escribí un cuento para la clase de inglés. Número 2. Nosotros comimos hamburguesas para el almuerzo. Remember, in the nosotros form, ER verbs are going to change to imos. IR verbs are already imos in the present tense, so they're the same in the preterite. Número 3. Mi hermano corrió a la tienda. Don't forget your accent on the O. Número 4. Mis padres salieron a las 5. Y número 5. Tú recibiste una carta ayer. Alright, there you have it. Those are the preterite endings.